Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and if you just watched my opening of the Memories and More kit, you'd see that I came up with some different card ideas, and I said stick around. I wanted to make a card just quickly using these two. Now they are double-sided. I love this, but I'm going to make the card using this side, so I'm glad that there's two. But this one says capturing memories one photo at a time. So I can use that. Well, that would even work like that, right? But that's not what I'm going to do. I just, look how cute. There's just so many different ways to use these. But I wanted to make a card. And I was going to cut all the pieces first. But I'm just going to go ahead and cut with you. So I know I wanted a garden green. So I got out a piece of garden green. And then I'm going to need a piece of basic white. And that is just going to be, I'm getting it out now. That is just going to be for the inside. So we've got a piece of basic white. And I'm going to make this into a standard card. So I'm going to get out my trimmer. And we're going to cut that right in half. So we're, oh, not that half. We're going to cut it in this half, five and a half. And then we're going to go, we're going to score this at 4 1/4. So there we go. Now I'm going to measure this piece, and I already did measure it, so I know that it's 3 by 4. So I'm going to cut this piece of extra garden green that I have here, and I'm going to put it at 3 1/2. And then by 4 3/4. That's going to, I'm going to do it this side. 4 3/4, and that's going to give me 1/4 of an inch larger, so it's going to give me 1/8 of an inch all the way around if I measured properly, which of course I didn't. Oh, because it was 4. I was thinking 4 1/2. See, this is why I show you guys. So it's going to be 4 1/4. You guys, it's been a while. It has been a while. But that's okay. I'm going to save all of these different pieces. I have a file system, and I'll just stick this in my garden green, so whenever I need a garden green piece, I have it. And I'll show you real quick. Since we're sharing today and I've missed you guys, I just have a file there, and this is how I keep all those extra pieces in case I need scraps. And then of course in the back I have full sheets. And then I just have them in alphabetical order so that I can always find them. Okay, next I'm going to cut my white. So I like to cut first. And we're going to cut this one 1/2 inch shorter. And I'm going to do it the long way because I want to make the most of it, and I want to be able to cut 2 of these next time. So 1/2 inch shorter. So this one is 5 1/4 by 4. And then again, I keep these pieces in my basic white. My basic white is huge. It is, I use that the most, so it is pretty big. I think I'll be needing this again, but first we're gonna place all this together. So we're gonna just burnish that down, and I will go ahead and put the inside. I'm just going to use some green glue here put the sides a little bit less, but when I put that in there, it gives me a little bit of time to play around, get it in there where I want it, and then I can move the glue around so that it does get to the sides there. And then that puts it nice and flat as well. So we're going to burnish that down one more time. And here we go. This piece and this piece are going to fit really well together. And I am thinking that I might like to put a little piece of twine of some sort, but I'm not sure. I think I'll go with this white ribbon. Okay. I'm going to open that piece a little bit bigger, and then I'm going to cut off another piece. This is, what is this one? This is the white grosgrain frayed ribbon. I think that might be on the last chance sale, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to put some glue on here, and then put that piece together here. Just like that. I'm going to take this piece, and I need to find my tools. I don't need to. I have my tape. I didn't take all my tools with me, but I want to find out where that's at, and I'm going to put some tape here and here. I'm going to push that around, and we're going to bring that around like that. Get that nice and straight, and then bring that around like that. So we've got that, and then I'm going to take this piece here, I'm going to stick it in here. I hope I cut this long enough. It looks like I did. Okay, yep. We did. I'm going to move this over just a little bit. I don't want it to be completely centered. There we go. And then I'm going to take my scissors. I have these for ribbon scissors. And we're going to cut them at a nice little angle here. Oh, goodness. There's one little piece. There we go. All right, so I'm going to keep that upside down because there is a little bit of tacky on there. And then we're going to bring this piece back, and we need to measure this one out. So this one, we're going to want this one cut. Did I? Oh, okay. I'm like, didn't I just have my trimmer? Okay, so this one is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. So we're going to put this one at 4, which it already is, and then 5 1/4. And I'm looking at this, and I'm like, this already has some good stuff there. This doesn't really have nothing but leaves. So I'm going to use the leaves. I'm going to trim off the leaves. Wait, that's pretty long. Is that how much longer it is? I guess it is. I'm thinking, yeah, that's correct. And then I would keep this for something else. It would make a nice little tag or a flag for something else. And now we get to put this one right on here. Just like that. I'm going to put a little bit of glue here and here. We're going to put this down as close as possible, and then because it is glue, we can move it around a little bit and get that nice and perfect. We're just getting that glue all the way to the edges here and then twist around. All right, so now I'm coming to some dimensionals. Last little piece. I love it when I use my dimensionals up. There's so many, so don't be afraid to use dimensionals. There's a ton of them. I'm going to use one more right here. All right, and then I'm going to take my take your pick tool and just peel these off real quick. I mean, how quick is this card? So I wanted to just show you from start to finish, doing my cutting, even my mistakes, from having to rethink the cuts and everything is still a very quick card. Now I'm going to put this right here. And there you go. And then of course, if you wanted to add some embellishments, there's always embellishments we can use. And look real quick, see here what we've got. Oh, I'll just use these guys up. You know, they're my favorite. And I think what I'll do is I will put them in these corners here. And there we go. You let me know who would not love to receive this Friends Forever card, right? Now I'm still thinking, I'm gonna look because I know there's stickers in here. Here's the stickers. I'm just gonna look. I'm not making any promises. But you see, you could always decorate the inside of this card as well. So you can put some stickers there. You could put some little ladybugs throughout here if you'd like. There's all kinds of stuff. You guys, there's so much you can do with these cards. I hope you like this. If you'd like to get it, just go to beautyandthestamper.com and just click on the shop Stampin' Up. That'll take you right to my site. Or if you'd like, I will be doing a newsletter on this. So again, go to beautyandthestamper.com and a little pop-up will occur. You can sign up to receive my newsletter, and I would be happy to share everything with you. All right, beauties, it is celebration time, so for every $60 you spend, you can get a free gift, and I would love to share my Stampin' Up! Knowledge with you. All right, have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye!
You like watching me make something, then subscribe to my channel.